Hi Mazri. So someone asked me how to pivot for spinning kicks. Like that. Okay. So basically, in the previous video, what I did was I have pivoting for just stepping forward, like that. Okay, just like basically like this. But reverse step is slightly different. Reason being because I believe spinning kicks, you don't really need to focus on going in front. I mean, you can focus on like going in front like this. Yes, correct. But you should focus more on actually spinning your whole body fast. So what I would recommend is the front foot. Since you're in this gut where you have some space here, you step inside. You step inside as you pivot. Okay. So step inside. Then your back leg. You spin. Your back leg will come as you spin your body. Alright. Okay. So 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2. And then when you get used to it, you can just shorten the distance. Like maybe if you're a beginner, you can do quite a big step. But once you get used to it, you can do a smaller step. Smaller step with the hips. So the whole point of this is to turn your foot with the hips at the same time. Pump. Pump. Okay? If you can do a thrusting kick, a back thrust or a back kick, make sure your leg goes here, close to your body. So here. Because back kick, your leg has to go one straight line. So 1 and 2. 1, 2. Straight line. If it's a reverse roundhouse kick, where you have to go like it's like a slap, basically with a kick, you open up. No balance. So just spin and then, okay? So it really depends on what you're trying to do. Yeah? Okay. Thank you. Someone asked me how to do a reverse. I like to do this, which is wrong. Yeah?
Reverse.
The last video I also did this.